Let's try something that you never felt. I've got issues, but everybody's got their own too.
Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video just in time for the holidays, so you guys do not want to miss this one that I have today. So I have a new wig that I found on Amazon, and of course this wig does come from UNice. I will leave all the information and details in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. Now this wig is super cheap, costing about $147 for a 20-inch. I think that's pretty good. And when you add the wig to your cart, you do have the option to use the 10% off discount code. So you guys definitely take advantage of that. So I picked up this 20-inch Afro Kinky Curly lace frontal wig. This is what it looks like. My wig, once again, is 20 inches long, 150% density. It's also pre-plucked and has baby hairs, as well as that removable adjustable strap. Now I am going to customize this wig per usual. This wig did not come pre-bleached, so I will be bleaching my knots and I will be removing a little density from along the hairline.
Took a shot, 'cause you remind me what I got. Flows like water that moves through the streams. Flows like sunlight that meets the sea. 'Cause I got you and you got me, yeah. Riding waves of energy, yeah. Flows like water that moves through the streams. Flows like sunlight that meets the sea. 'Cause I got you and you got me, yeah. Riding waves of energy, yeah.
So originally I decided to wear this wig in a side part, but you guys will see me change the position of the part just because I don't really know. I'm just a middle part girl. No matter how many times I decide to wear a side part, I end up changing it later on. So I'm just going to style this up in a side part for now, and then you're going to see me remove some density just along the hairline and then go ahead and get these curls nice and defined.
The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Put you up, fade away. Everything just fades away. Put you up, fade away. And everything falls into place. When it's all up in the air and innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't in. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't stay. What's on your mind? Don't gotta say what you think I like. 'Cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you and it's fine with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away.
Okay, so I just allowed the wig to sort of sit and air dry for a couple of days, and it is completely dry. This is what it looks like. If you develop a crunchy cast on the hair, just scrunch up the hair in your hands and you should be able to break that right off. So now the lace on this wig does not blend in with my skin tone, so I like to go on with a little bit of my foundation and apply it all over the lace just to where we can get a nice even melt, and you're not going to see like that weird white color along your hairline. So this is what this wig is looking like. It doesn't look bad, but I don't really know. I'm just not a side part girl, especially when I'm dealing with big curly hair, unless it's my hair. I can wear a good side part, but if I'm wearing like a kinky curly wig, I'm just a middle part girl. But I just wanted to give you guys just a look of what this wig looks like in its side part position before I go ahead and wear it the way that I prefer. So this is a couple days later. I just decided to rewash it, style it up in the middle part, redefine the curls. It was super simple to style and I love this look so much. Now this right here, I can definitely identify with. It's just my go-to. I don't have a problem switching it up, but this is definitely my go-to. So once again, you guys do check out UNice. They are on Amazon. Definitely take advantage of this wig. It's currently $147, plus you do have the additional 10% off discount. So pretty much this wig is definitely beginner friendly. It doesn't require that much custom work. However, if you want your wig to look like mine, you do have to put in a little bit of effort. However, it is definitely not required. This wig looks gorgeous as is. Now I love the fact that this hair is super soft, very minimal shedding, and I love the curly roots that I'm always raving about because it just makes the wig overall look super realistic, super natural. You don't have those weird straight roots. Now once again, you guys do check out UNice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll leave all the information in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think and if you will be picking up this wig for the holidays, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.